Hey guys, it's Brooklyn the Vintage Gardener. Welcome back to my channel. So hopefully you guys can hear me over all the traffic. But as you can see, I have put grid lines in the raised beds because I'm going to be doing square foot gardening. So the way I did this basically was that I used to use like a tape measure. Actually, I think I started from this end. And I marked off foot marks lengthwise. And I did it on the other side. And then I did um, foot marks. I don't know if you can see the little black lines on the short side. And so then I used orange mason twine. I chose it because I'll be quite honest, it's pretty. So I got this at Lowe's. I forgot, it wasn't very expensive. It was like $8 And so I just looped it. To keep everything secure, I just stapled it down because I don't want to take it out because I'm probably going to be doing some succession planning, and I just kind of like to know where my squares are because I'm very challenged when it comes to space. So I'm going to show you how you do the whole square foot gardening thing. So as you can see over there, I've got some lettuce. That is head lettuce. So if you remember the little diagram that I showed you, head lettuce, you can plant 4 per square foot. And so in that little seed pack, there are, there are 12. So that means that I can take up 3 squares. So we'll just do right here, start over at this end. As you can see, it's not exact, but it's a little bit bigger, but the big holes, the big circles are for 4 foot. So I'm just going to use a marker to kind of poke down in here to kind of mark my spots. And I'm just going to go ahead and do that for Okay, so now I've marked all 12 holes. And of course, as you can see, this little guide is really used for planting seeds, but it's a good guide to use when putting in plants. So I'm surprised how dry the soil is because for the past couple of days it's been raining. So I'm not sure why I got so dried out so quickly. Okay, so now I'm going to go get the plants and put my gloves on. So I'm just going to carefully dig a hole right here. The soil, this is pretty nice soil. I got a mixture of topsoil and compost from my local garden center. I think they did 2 cubic yards of 2 cubic yards of compost to 1 cubic yard of topsoil. So, okay, I'm gonna have to put the camera down. Hey guys, got it all planted. So that's basically how you do it. So I'm going to go get the other vegetables and put them in. I don't have time set up do the time lapse right now, but I'll do it probably when it gets to that bit.